In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Cursor AI account step by step so you can get set up quickly and start using the platform without confusion. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Cursor AI website. You can type the website address into the search bar and wait for the official page to load. When the site opens, look for the sign in button and click it. On the login screen, you'll see the option to sign up for a new account, so go ahead and click sign up. Now Cursor AI will ask you to create your account details. At this stage, you can either enter your email address and create a password, or choose the option to continue with Google, depending on what is available on your screen. In this example, I'm selecting continue with Google because it is usually the fastest way to get started. After you choose that option, you'll see a list of Google accounts already signed in on your device. Select the account you want to use for your Cursor AI profile, then click Continue to move forward. Next, Cursor AI may ask for a mobile number for verification. This is an important step because it helps confirm your identity and secure your account. Enter your phone number carefully and make sure the country code is correct. After that, click Send Verification Code. Cursor AI will send a code to your phone by text message. Open your messages, find the verification code, and type it into the confirmation box on the website. Once the code is entered correctly, your account setup is complete. That's it. You've successfully created a Cursor AI account and finished the verification process. From here, you can start exploring the platform and using its features right away. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.